Right now we're going to look at factoring using algebratiles. So far we've talked about expanding, where we're taking two sets of binomials, multiplying it out, and ending up with a solution that looks like this. Well, now what we want to do is we want to factor, which means we want to work backwards from expanding. So we want to take this and have an end product that has two sets of brackets. So how do we get there? Well, what we'll do using the algebratiles, we're going to make a rectangle to determine its dimensions. Basically, this is the area, and we want to know the length and the width. So, how are we going to do that? Take what we have. We need 1x squared. I'm going to do that right there. That's going to cover that. So we'll do that here. We need two negative x's. One, that's positive x. We need negative x and a negative x. And then we need eight negative units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, when I start working through this problem, I got to think about some things here. Can I figure out a solution? I got this and this. I'm going to arrange these. It's not going to work. Doesn't matter how I set it up. I'm going to start with this. We have that. Now we're going to take something we call the zero product. You take a positive and a negative, and they equal 0. Because if I have a positive 1 and a negative 1, combine them, 0. So I need to try using that here. Why? Because these negatives, negative times a positive equals a negative. So I got to get some positives in here. So we're going to keep our negatives going here. Thanks. And then I'm going to start adding positives this way. So let's add one positive right here. If I add one positive, I have to add one negative. So there we go. Now I'm going to move that. Still no rectangle. So we're going to try again. We're going to add another positive. Whoop. That's an x squared. Get rid of that. We're going to add another positive and another negative. Work on our rectangle here. We've got that. 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 It's not the prettiest one in the world, but this would be a rectangle. So what happens now is we have our dimension here of x minus 4. And we go this way, and we have x plus 2. Sorry, it's getting a little messy. So I'm going to move this. All of this up. I'll move the w out. Move the length out. I'm going to replace that with x minus 4, then x plus 2. So now what we've done is we've just factored this trinomial, which all its parts are here. Here's my x squared. Here's my positive 2x minus 4x minus 8. Now, we need to verify our answer. Let's move this up verify our answer by multiplying it back out. What we do is take x minus 4, multiply by x plus 2. You have your x times x is x squared. X times 2 is plus 2x minus 4x. That's multiplication up here. And then minus 4 times 2 minus 8. Combine the middle two terms. So I have x squared minus 2x minus 8. Perfect. Got the right answer.